Good morning 10th class students. In previous class excretion, the waste disposing system, in that I explained about axillary excretory organs. Once again I repeat the same topic. Axillary means extra. The chief excretory organ, the main excretory organ is kidney. And also I explained about high urine formed by kidneys. Axillary excretory organs, extra excretory organs also play an important role in human being along with kidneys. No doubt about that, kidney is the major excretory organ. Along with this kidney, lungs and skin, liver and intestine also play an important role in sending waste material from the body. Lungs, the excretory products are CO2, water. In skin, the excretory product is sweat and sebum, metabolic waste like waxes, stenols, etc. Liver releases bilirubin, biliverdin, urochrome. Urochrome is eliminated in the form of urine. Bilirubin, biliverdin come out in the form of bile. Liver also releases oxalates, steroid drugs, etc. Intestine releases extra waste materials. Waste materials in the form of extra salts released in the form of fecus. Now I will explain about excretion in other animals. Excretion in other animals. First I will explain about how excretion takes place in protozoa. Example, amoeba. Example, amoeba. Protozoa. Example, amoeba. If you will take amoeba, see now I will draw the diagram of amoeba. If you observe in amoeba, we can find out special vacuoles known as contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole. They have special vacuoles in their body known as contractile vacuole. This contractile vacuole helps to collect waste materials from the body. Collects waste materials from the body and swells up. And these contractile vacuole moves towards the membrane of amoeba, and the membrane dissolves and which helpful to send waste material to outside. So this process is known as diffusion. Why? Because if you will take amoeba, the body is made up of only one cell. So no need of special excretory system in amoeba. Why? Because the body is made up of one cell, no? So diffusion is the process which helps to send waste material in a protozoa or amoeba. See here they have special vacuoles known as contractile vacuole. This contractile vacuole helps to collect waste materials from the body of amoeba and swells up, and these contractile vacuole reach to the membrane and the membrane dissolve and send waste material to outside. This is the process of diffusion which takes place in protozoa. Example, amoeba. Now I will explain about how excretion takes place in other animals. Now see the table. Name of the organism, name of the phylum or organism. Name of the phylum or organism and excretion type. Excretion type or excretory organ. First, I will explain about simple primitive organism that is called protozoa. Protozoa example, amoeba. In protozoa, excretion takes place by simple diffusion. In protozoa, excretion takes place by simple diffusion. It does not have specific organ for excretion. So the all life process takes place by simple diffusion in amoeba. Second one is porifera and Coelenterata. Porifera and Coelenterata. Example, Porifera example is sponges and Coelenterata example is hydra. If you will take in sponges hydra, how excretion takes place means water baths almost all cells. In sponges and hydra also does not have a specific organ for excretion. What? They live in water, no? This water only baths almost all cells, which are helpful to remove waste material from the body. Third one is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. Examples of organisms which belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes are flatworm. Flatworm. Okay. How excretion takes place in flatworm means they have flame cells in their body. I will draw the flame cells with the help of diagram. See here. This is flame cells. If you look at flame cells, these are cilia. The cilia means small hair-like structures present in the flame cells which moves like flame. Which moves like flame. They move like flame, that's why they get name of flame cells. They get the name of flame cells. This is about Platyhelminthes flatworm. Fourth one is Nematoda. Example, earthworm. Example, earthworm. They have, nematoda organisms have rennet cells. Rennet cells. Rennet cells are the excretory organs in the earthworm. So here we learn 4 phylums and examples and their excretory organ. Protozoa, example amoeba, excretory organ, how excretion takes place means simple diffusion. Porifera and Coelenterata, water baths almost all cells. Example sponges, hydra. Platyhelminthes example flatworm, they have flame cells. Flame cells are the excretory organs in flatworms or platyhelminthes. Nematoda, example roundworm. Example roundworm. Rennet cells, they have rennet cells. Now I will explain about some more examples. See here. Fifth one, phylum Annelida. Example, earthworm. Phylum Annelida, example, earthworm. They have nephridia. Nephridia means here like this will be. These are the nephridia which present in earthworm, serves as excretory organ in a earthworm, Annelida. Sixth one is arthropoda. Example, cockroach and prawn. Arthropoda organs have jointed legs. Cockroach, prawn. Excretory organ is Malpighian tubules. In cockroach, the excretory organ is Malpighian tubules. In prawn, the excretory organ is green glands. Arthropoda, they have jointed legs, no? Example, cockroach, prawn, butterfly, housefly, mosquito, etc. In cockroach, the excretory organ is Malpighian tubules. In prawn, the excretory organ is green glands. Seventh one is mollusca. In mollusca, we can find out metanephridia. Metanephridia. Mollusca, example, snail. They have metanephridia. Metanephridia is the excretory organ in snail or mollusca. Next one is eighth one. Echinodermata, example, starfish. Example, starfish. In Echinodermata, the excretory organs is water vascular system. Water vascular system. Echinodermata, example, starfish, water vascular system. And last phylum, that is ninth phylum, that is reptiles, birds, mammals. Reptiles examples are snakes, birds examples crow, pigeon, etc. Crow, pigeon, etc. Mammals examples are human. If you look at this group of organisms, we can find out excretory organ is kidney. Kidney are the excretory organs in reptiles, birds and mammals. Already I explained about structure of kidney. What is the shape of kidney? Bean shape, and outer convex in shape, inner concave in shape. Length 10 centimeters, breadth 5 to 6 centimeters, and thickness 4 centimeters. Already explained about the kidney and how urine formed in the previous classes, no? So these are the different groups of organisms which have different types of excretory organ. If you look at this group of organisms, we can find out a simple type of excretion takes place in protozoa and porifera. If you observe after porifera, we can find out some organs for excretion. So this is about excretion in other organisms. Protozoa, example amoeba, type of excretion is simple diffusion. They have special vacuoles in their body that is called contractile vacuole. Do you know, in amoeba food is also digested with the help of vacuole known as food vacuoles. Instead of excretory organs, these group of organs like protozoa, amoeba, euglena, paramecium, vorticella, in this group of organs we can find out special vacuoles in their body. These vacuoles play an important role for digestion, excretion and etc. They have contractile vacuole which helps to absorb waste material from the body and swells up, and these contractile vacuoles move from one place to another place in the process of diffusion, finally reach to the cell membrane, and the cell membrane dissolves and send waste material to outside. Porifera and Coelenterata. Porifera examples, one is Coelenterata hydra, water pass almost all cells. This water will enter into their bodies and send waste material to outside. Platyhelminths example platform, they have flame cells. Flame cells have cilia. The cilia moves like flame, that's why they get named flame cells. Nematoda example, roundworms or Nematohelminths example, roundworm or Ascaris. They have rennet cells. Rennet cells are the excretory organs in nematodes. And next one, fifth one is Annelida, example earthworm, leech. They have nephridia. Nephridia are the excretory organs in earthworms. Arthropoda, example cockroach, prawn, and butterfly, mosquito, housefly, spider, etc. Cockroach excretory organ is Malpighian tubules. Prawn excretory organ is green glands. Mollusca, example snail, they have metanephridia. Echinodermata, example starfish, they have water vascular system. In human being, reptiles, snakes, birds, crow, pigeon, etc., mammals, human beings, excretory organ is kidneys. So this is about excretory organs in other animals. In the next class, I will explain about excretion in plants. How excretion takes place in plants. Okay? Up to here, we will learn excretion in animals. No? In the next class, I will explain about excretion in plant. Okay? Thank you.